But it looks like we're gonna get Zia out first.
Okay.
I didn't give you an order, so
No, I just.
whichever one first.
You have to list. Yes, it's right. I have the sheets down and going through them. I'm not close, it's only three.
That's far.
That's good, Christine.
I'm going down the hill too. We get going too fast.
Oh, come on. That is nice.
Beautiful.
Not that much time.
That's the effect on how you feel when I'm watching my
Yeah.
tryers. Not those names. Our tryers.
So, are you gonna get morning gallop next?
I'm just glad I wasn't in the breeding business when we were training. I was racing horses.
Get morning gallop
I
next.
never got rid of anything. Yeah, I kept everything.
I remember she went head and head with a figure.
And it was the garbage man. Because Tina was like, oh my God, what did I get confused? So this is him.
Very nice, real nice young man.
Did you go to the dinner last night?
No ma'am.
Oh, okay. I was gonna tell you
Not a
that.
social butterfly like Mike.
What was his baby?
3-7.
37.
Very handsome.
Yes.
Nowhere to go but wrong.
You never had a jealous cat.
Fell out the bottom. He fell up so high. He fell out the bottom of the blanket before we could get in the stall to rescue him, you know?
Another beauty.
And she looks like a little horse, not like a foal, you know? She's just so proportionate.
That's why I like looking at them at this age.
Yeah.